Good afternoon. This is Susie Kendrick with KPC's Advancement Office, and I'm here in the new dorm facility at the Kenai River campus. Today is the 11th of December. There's a flurry of activity all around me, and I'm standing here just inside the main entrance of the dorm facility. I'm going to walk you in and show you what our new director's office is going to look like. You can see here that she's going to have a wonderful corner office where she's going to demystify everything about residential life for KPC and its wonderful KPC students. Welcome, Tammy. We can't wait until you get here. Here we are on the lower floor of the right wing of the new dorm facility. You can see that it's rapidly being framed in. We've got a lot of people working in here. We just wanted to give you a little glimpse. Right here to my right, I'm going to take you inside of one of our apartments. In this area, there will be a counter along with the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave. There will also be a table here for people to sit and eat. You can see that this is the nice living room area. There will be couches and chairs here, and this will be the common area where students will be able to gather, study, watch TV, enjoy each other's company, and just generally enjoy their new apartment. I'm going to walk to the left over here, and I'm going to show you what a typical set of bedrooms are going to look like. Each bedroom has its own window to promote natural light throughout the year. You can see it's a pretty nice sized bedroom. Over on this side will be a closet space. There'll be open closets. There'll be kind of like a California closet set up here. And this will be a student's private space. It's pretty awesome. Each two bedrooms that are side by side here will share this one space. This area here will be for the shower and the commode. Students will share this space. And then in this space further here will be where the vanity is. So you can brush your teeth or, do what you have to do to get ready in the morning. And still your roommate will have their private space there. And then just as this side is set up, we have the mirror image of those two bedrooms on this side. It's a very nice size space, and I think students are really going to enjoy it. On each one of these wings, there's several of these areas here that they're calling mini lounges. And there'll be gathering spaces for students when they're sick of being in their room and they just want to come and hang out. There's talk that each one of these mini lounges will have a different theme. For instance, one could be, let's sit around and watch television. Another could be, let's play the Wii game. Another could be Xbox 360. Another could be only books allowed. There's a lot to be excited about this new facility. This is something that's really changing the face of KPC. And I hope you'll choose to be a part of it because it's going to be awesome. Here we are at the back of the facility. We've got workers working on the roof. We've got people inside. We've got framers finishing up the last floor of framing. Up above these double windows over here, that will be the last second-story piece that needs to go on these buildings, and then they'll be able to get everything closed in. Right below where you see those two workers over there, those two windows right there, those will be windows into the fireplace. So you'll be able to sit in front of the fireplace and look out into the woods here. That's what we're talking about. Here we are out in front of the building. I just wanted to give a little overview. You can see the guys up on the roof finishing things up there. Over in this area, we're going to have a 9-hole Frisbee golf course. There's going to be a huge activity field here, be planted with grass where people can go hang out, have picnics, play football, do whatever you want to, but this is going to be a really nice place to live. I hope this helps you get a little glimpse of what the new KPC dorm facility is going to look like. We hope to do this quite often so that you can keep up with all the progress we're making. Thank you. This is Susie Kendrick reporting for KPC Dorms.